Welcome to your morning meditation routine, setting intentions for the day. As you begin your day, take a moment to pause and connect with yourself. This uplifting meditation is designed to help you start your day with positivity, clarity, and purpose. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress from your body. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you, and the gentle rhythm of your breath anchoring you in the here and now. Now, let's begin by setting our intentions for the day. Intentions are powerful statements that guide our thoughts, actions, and energy throughout the day. They help us stay focused on what truly matters to us and align our actions with our deepest desires. Take a moment to reflect on what you wish to cultivate in your life today. What qualities do you want to embody? What goals do you want to work towards? Allow these intentions to arise naturally from your heart. Repeat these intentions silently to yourself or out loud after me. I embrace today with an open heart and an open mind. I am grateful for the opportunities that come my way. I approach challenges with courage and resilience. I radiate love, kindness, and compassion to both myself and others. I trust in the wisdom of the universe and surrender to the flow of life. Feel the energy of these intentions flowing through you, filling you with a sense of purpose and empowerment. Know that you have the power to create the day you desire through your thoughts, words, and actions. Now, let's take a moment to express gratitude for this new day and all the possibilities that it holds. Gratitude opens our hearts and minds to the abundance that surrounds us and invites more blessings into our life. Think of 3 things that you're grateful for today, no matter how big or small. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, the love of a friend or family member, or simply the gift of being alive in this very moment. As you bask in the energy of gratitude, feel a sense of joy and contentment wash over you. Allow yourself to fully embrace the beauty and richness of life in this moment. Now, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with this newfound sense of purpose and positivity, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or doubt from your body. Know that you carry the energy of these intentions with you throughout your day, guiding you towards your highest potential and greatest joy. Trust in the power of your intentions and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Now, let's deepen our practice with additional affirmations to uplift and inspire us. Repeat after me. I am capable of achieving my goals and my dreams. I attract abundance and prosperity into my life. I am surrounded by love and support from the universe. I am deserving of all the good that comes my way. I am a beacon of light and positivity in this world. Feel the power of these affirmations resonating within you, empowering you to live your best life. Allow their energy to fill you with confidence, determination, and inner peace. Now, let's seal this practice with a final affirmation. I am ready to embrace this day with joy, gratitude, and intention. I trust that everything unfolds perfectly for my highest good. So be it, and so it is. As you continue with your day, carry these intentions and affirmations with you, knowing that you have the power to create the life that you desire. Embrace each moment with gratitude, joy, and purpose. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation routine, setting intentions for the day. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more meditation videos like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.